So this one was fun for me because a friend literally just texted me a list of ingredients: gin, aloe, elderflower, lemon, and tonic water. So challenge accepted, here's what I came up with. So after you've got your glass chilled, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 ounces of gin. So now we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of our Aloe Liqueur. 1/4 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. And then 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Add ice and shake. Strain it out into a cocktail glass. And lastly, we're going to do a splash of tonic water. And that is how we make my Clean Slate. One more thing, guys. If you aren't yet following me on Instagram, you should head over there at Cocktail Homecraft. That way, you can see all the different cocktail recipes I'm throwing up on the regular.